Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is RP. Now, Prince Charles is dead. I'm talking about Prince Charles Winter, aka Finger. One of the damn them will come from Rockford. The man them deal them away. Gruesome scenes in the middle of Apple Tree on a very busy day. Before me talk about it, I have sent a Patreon birthday shout out to Xavier Rowe. Xavier, happy birthday. Big up yourself. Hope you have a great day. Enjoy yourself to the fullest because, as you can see, even the same video at any given time crosses can catch up. So, anytime when you wake up in the morning, even if your head hurt you, even if your foot hurt you, back hurt you, have to give thanks to life same way. So Xavier, big up yourself and big up the whole Patreon squad as usual. Make we move into the video. Prince Charles Winter, aka Finger. He was killed on Tuesday, as in the 15th. Right, I don't know when you're hearing this video for the first time, but they mash him up real bad. Them kill him as him left the passport office in an half a tree. You see, Finger is a well-known violence producer. You see how some people do crime so long that you almost forget say them still are road. You know, you kinda assume say, oh, them man they must die jail or something by now. No, we're still on the road. Matter of fact, in the October, early November, when Rockford got really hot, people were pointing the finger at him and saying he's been a big rolling night. Get it? Pointing the finger at him. Well, he's no longer around. When you factor in him long-time enemies them, plus him recent gang conflicts them, and thus the nature of the fact say, right, as a violence producer, him have one bag of enemies. You know, so naturally, when him lose him life, people start to look around and wonder, then who could it be? It can come from all different angles. And so far, you know, the streets already, there are a number of suspects. And based on who me hear some of the suspects are, well, things are going to get really interesting. But when we get certain things confirmed, might do a follow up on this. Same start commander, hold by pressure. You know a man doing time, them start get too hot. The next option is to take with themselves. So him go start out in papers. Him go on a passport office. I don't know if he was going to go through Mexico or some small island, but passport him go deal with. Little did he know, he won't be needing any passport for go. Which part the 87 them were about to send him. Him don't need a document, him don't need a visa. That's the thing about death. You don't require no paperwork. Right? You have to send him, you get no stamp, nothing at all. Don't need no red book, no green book, no blue book, nothing. Death is open to everybody. Death is always taking people. It's the only immigration policy that is open to all. So by now, you must have think to yourself, oh man, we're based primarily in Rockford. If it just happen to run at 87s outside a passport office in half a tree, the program run for him. Obviously somebody who knows say, right, him never start with him passport, make the call. The man them just conveniently happen to be there, ready and willing on a bike. Be a shot start fire. The man them mash up Finger. When you look on the video, you see all him eye them they shot out. Whole him head mash up. Matter of fact, I play a clip right now from the immediate aftermath of the shooting. Just so to say which part of the tree is something. Because a picture say 1,000 words and a video the 10,000. Check out this short clip.
Come like them killed somebody yesterday, you see me? Hold on, what? I fetch you a while ago in a dog. Be a shot fire and I fetch you a while ago, dog. Watch police on my run. You see me? Yeah, man. Be a shot fire and I fetch you. Couple bands, well.
There was also another video showing say a woman pick up a stray round. Which part of that video shoot, it looked like say at the opposite side of the road. Right? So I don't know at what point she gets shot. Right? But there were two videos going around at the same time. One, which spot you see finger lie down, and the separate one, right, this woman was across the road until she pick up a stray round. People were trying to help her. So that one has not been confirmed in the mainstream news, but you know in time people get shot and videos start going on. Right. Two videos were circulating. Two people shot, one dead. This is not downtown Kingston. This is not Spanish Town. You know the kind of plaza where people go shop, right, for some shirt and some pants, because they must say, you know, them store are more premium, them store are more uptown, and kind of safer. This is half a tree. We're always full of schoolers. Always full of pedestrians. Anybody could have lose them life because of a stray road. A stray shot could have catch anyone on a granny. But no family don't care until it actually catch one on the granny. Or one on the picnic. Or one on the brother or sister. Then, when I go say, something has to be done. I don't know what Jamaicans are waiting on. Believe it or not, there are many Jamaicans who still don't take crime and violence seriously. Part of the reason is because it really happened so grimy in a place like Half a Tree. Yes, there are the shootings here and there, but man pull up and mash out head and shot out eyeball in a plaza Half a Tree. And to make things worse, this happened on the day an SOE was declared. Now, I'm going to talk about the SOEs later in this video. Which part the man them shot finger. By the time him drop, right, and people are record the aftermath, you can see police are running come towards him, meaning say the police officers were not very far from which spot the shooting take place. But by the time them could have run and go up towards finger, the man them gone. A bike, the man them there on. These things take seconds. Now, of course, Finger is a known violence producer, so film time, right? Badness catch up on him. But let's say them meet up on the bike, they'll go on and a rob, right? Or them will try to start you and tell them no, so them have come to shoot you. I say me them could have kill you in the middle of Half a Tree, and by the time police run come up, then gone. Seconds, that's all they have to play with. Not no minutes, not no hours, not no call 119 and wait seconds. So based on who Finger was, based on the amount of 87 December they running, retaliation for this is certain. The only way you not see war going over this, or you not yourself to be dead back over this, is if film owner youth them clear road night. That's the only way. But Finger have him links them. Finger have him 87 them in the streets. Also have him big political links them. This never go so. According to the rules of badness, somebody have a dead back. And I say somebody like a one person. It's very unlikely to be one. In my opinion, this is going to get really ugly. So all we can do right now is keep an eye upon it and see what's going on. Maybe the SOEs might kind of quell things down a bit, right? But you don't know. When 87 is motivated, right, to do what they want to do, them find all kind of creative ways. Speaking about SOEs, by now you should have heard say a new set drop, right? Only in certain divisions though. So what I'm looking to see is if there is a strategy attached to the SOEs this time. We hear say big crime planner come. We hear this and we hear that. Now it's SOE. Is there a strategy attached to the SOE, or it's an SOE for a couple weeks and then get rid of it and then back to normal? That is what I'm waiting to see. Me see the press conference with the Prime Minister. At one point, me even hear they mentioned say Jamaica have a higher murder rate than certain countries, even countries right? We have all kind of gang war problems and even quote unquote real war. That's interesting. They must start to actually put things into context. You see, when I did the El Salvador video, I tell them to say, when I have to look upon countries similar to Ireland. You can't come out and talk about crime without putting it into context because enough people just don't understand how serious the situation is. The jerk chicken mafia I go tell you say, right? Them know Gwyneth and Gwyneth come to Jamaica 40 years straight and everywhere she go, she's safe. So you don't know what you talk about, it can't be that bad. Yes, it is that bad. Because countries that were once designated failed states when it comes down to crime. Countries that were considered irreparable. Countries that were considered a lost cause are now having a lower murder rate than Ireland. El Salvador is on its way to having less than 1,000 murders this year. El Salvador, the home of MS-13 and Barrier 18. So when time here, Umbria say, Ireland murder rate higher than enough countries where in a war. That right there, so show me say, they must start to move out of unicorn land. Now, that's bad for business, because I want to sell my unicorns, but that's good for Jamaica. You see, when I hear politicians that talk about, it's not even that bad, talk about the good thing them. First thing come to my mind is, this person is serious. You can't serious about crime and violence and see Ironman sitting at the top of the murder charts and I talk about. You don't talk about the jerk chicken, we don't talk about this and talk about that. No. How about we talk about the biggest issue that Jamaicans are concerned about? In the polls recently for the 60th anniversary, crime and violence was number one. It's the most important issue for the Jamaican people. So our Jamaican leaders, I tell people about, it's not even that bad, talk about the good things them, like them a ding dong. So now we see man I get serious and I talk, how they should be talking. I make it known say, Ironman murder stats worse than the country. That worse than Ironman. Ironman is not fighting a civil war. Even the gangs them in the Ironman are nowhere near as big, are nowhere near as organized and destructive as other countries, and they might find a way to figure it out. So, I want to see the strategy behind the SOE. Maybe they might go surprise me. I wouldn't hold my breath. But you never know. Because me can I look on the timing. Them say crime plan drop soon. The timing suggests that there might be more than meets the eye. So may I watch and see. But if it's another case of drop SOE, then SOE done. Next thing I see, 87 pick up where they left off. Then it's a case of here we go again. They now have an updated Firearms Act. The Bail Act is on its way. It's not complete in terms of all the tools they need, but it's better than what they had before. Better than what they had for the last 60 years, in terms of legislation. Make us see what them do with it. We'll be right here to remind them that they are failing to keep their promises. Because remember, lowering crime, getting rid of gangs and all them things. Where some of the promises we favorite leaders they make. So, that's where see it go. Come here watch and see. Yes, even though I don't take your favorite politicians them serious on either side, it doesn't mean I want them to fail. Because if them fail, then everyone fail. So, over the next week or two, let's see what's going on. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, no life. Culture Squad, stay circling. Bless.